What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we got a really exciting video today. We're going to be installing a 1320 Junkie ported manifold on this beautiful 2020 F-150. And then I think Andrew's going to be doing some flex fuel tuning. Is that right?
Yeah, it's a flex fuel tune. Really just a tune update to raise the rev limiter. It's not all that different tuning because he's leaving IMRCs intact. So it can technically run on the same tune it was on, but just some higher rev limiter, and it makes a little bit more power with the 1320 Junkie intake.
Cool. And then we had to pull the fuse real quick and empty some of the fuel in the lines, and Chris is ripping it apart right now, and let's get to it. All right, so we got to drill and tap to put that map sensor in the back of the manifold, correct?
Yes, sir. So pretty easy. Derek and I, we did this years ago on my F-150 when no one had been swapping manifolds on F-150. I had a GT350 manifold laying around, and I was like, hey, let's throw it on my truck. So what was that, 2018, 2019?
Yeah.
And it was when people were first starting to do these manifold swaps. We did it the hard way. I should have just bought an 18 manifold, because the cool thing, if you look, all these ports here, they're all plug and play. So when we did it originally, we had to figure out all the vacuum line routing. You know, then we had to figure out, we had to cut, drill for the map sensor, which we still have to do here, but there's a lot of different things that we had to do, and we were like, we figured it out.
Especially for the purge solenoid, that really sucked.
Yeah.
We had to figure out what we were
all
going to do
the routing for that four-way check valve.
Yeah.
But this, when you do an 18 manifold, it's plug and play. Even the IMRCs are all plug and play, which is so cool. So really, it's just drill a hole for this, make sure it's nice and sealed up, and then you're good to go.
Yeah, I mean, you didn't have any issues with yours. And how long did you run it with that 18 manifold?
Yeah,
I mean the
2 years.
the 350 manifold. Sorry.
Yeah, and then we did Matt's truck as well, and then his new truck as well.
Yeah.
So yeah.
What's going on, bud?
We're gonna flash the tune into it. This one's tuned by Oz Tuning. So we're using an HP Tuners RTD. Since the N gauge kind of went away, that's kind of the new way to flash tunes on now.
Cool. They're just doing like a basic flex fuel setup?
Yep, it's already got a tune in it, so this is just gonna raise the red line a little bit up.
Cool.
That should be good to go.
Sweet. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do a drivability ride along. So
do it from stop here. Ready?
yeah, go ahead. And then I forgot to tell you that. I'm sorry. It rips. Wow. So what do you think of the intake, bud?
I love it. I love it. It's well worth the money.
Yeah, so
And well worth taking it to your shop because you guys did it like perfect, man.
I appreciate that, man. We like to satisfy everybody, so shout out to 1320 Junkies too, man. They make a really good unit, so
Definitely.
so I'm happy with it. You're happy with it.
Definitely.
I think we're good, dude.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, we appreciate you, man. All right, guys. So that was a total blast riding in the 2020. He definitely is going to come back for some more mods, but that thing is a ripper, dude. So it was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the clips, and we'll see you on the next video.